Shut up, rat. I'm playing Roblox today with 2 other people, but the 2 other people aren't joining for some reason, but Dakota joined. Okay, good. Oh, I'm playing, you can't play, so. Where are you, Dakota? Where did you teleport? Or, like, spawn at? I don't have a car. I have one of those, I have one of those, noob house. I bought a 10,000 Robux. Hey, you get away from my house, you. We're on Bloxburg.
Not even mine too.
Well then, like, where, like,
My house.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
What?
I can't get our bike.
Come to
Can I be your question mark? No, you can't
Oh
be my
my
question
god.
mark. Stop it, rat.
Okay, I'm gonna text it to you because I want to say
Okay. I swear to God, if it's emojis. Where are you?
Oh my god, you
Wait, hold up. I'm on a phone call. I'm on, like, text now and stuff like that.
hold on.
Bro, wait, hold up. Let me change the tab that this is on so don't text it yet. And now it's glitching, bro. Are you serious, dude?
Okay, I'm about to send it to you.
Wait. Jesus living Christ. Hold on. All my computers are glitching and stuff. No, you can't be my man. Okay, go ahead, text it. Can I be your kid? No, I'm good.
Can I send it down?
Yes. Dakota.
Huh? What? Did you see it?
Join me, and yeah, I did. I see
What?
some of it. Where are you?
What?
Where are you? Where are you, rat?
I am.
What? Tell
Did you
him.
see it?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell him. I'm sassed.
I don't know this house. You fucking. Oh. What?
She said, has his balls dropped because he sounds like a little fucking
all
kid.
your fucking makeup off my.
This girl's just spamming in the chat like, oh, I'm homeless, so where to go? That's tough. Wait, I'm looking for your house right now. Like, I can't find you anywhere. Is this your house? It's ugly, but I mean, is it?
Shit.
No, but she's talking about she ain't got a house. I'm at her nice ass house right now. Yeah, she ain't got a house. What the fuck? She a whole lie. She probably up to that oobly goobly stuff. Try break in, bruh. She's trying to break in my house. I mean, go ahead. I mean, shit. I ain't got nothing to lose. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute.
Are you ready?
He didn't tell me. Stop. Stop texting me. We're on a phone call. Stop. Dakota, where are you?
That don't have anything to do with tea in China.
Jesus, mother trucking Christ. Oh, not see your Robux. Okay. Oh, what is this chick doing? Where are you, Dakota? Am I even recording anymore? Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay. Yeah, invite me to your house. And make me a guest. Made Bloxburg watches.
Huh?
You know whoever made Bloxburg must watch Riverdale, because right here it says Riverside. I'm not gonna stop.
Hold on.
You taking forever, kid. But you actually do sound like a little.
I might have my hair flipped today. What?
Bro, just leave your hair down. You're perfectly fine with your hair down. Can please. No.
Here, I'm gonna.
Damn.
You have to keep the place.
I got a Febreze, just in case. Shut up before I bring the Febreze to the bus stop. I'm on my way. I need a car. I don't have a car.
I have a car.
I don't.
Where are you?
I'm on my
Are
way.
you walking? I think you're over here. You? Is this you?
Yeah, you just ran by me.
Who's that?
Hi, rat.
Oh.
Let me in.
Where are you going, rat? Where did you come?
Dakota.
Okay, I'm not gonna give you a I'm moving.
I should just to annoy you. I'm finna use. Yeah. Just don't kill me, bro.
I'm your Uber driver.
Oh wow, that's sweet. Should I just finesse one of those scooters? Oh my god. I'm like so cold right now. Oh my god, it smells so good. This is your house?
Yeah. I'm so happy. Yeah.
I can't get out.
There's another girl because
I can't get out, bro. I can't. Let me out.
are you?
Okay, I'm out. Oh,
There's makeup in the bathroom because of my ex.
there's makeup? Where?
There's makeup all in here because of my ex.
Oh my, that's hilarious. Bro, I can pretty much sister, yes. Okay, I'm pretty now. I'm gonna use the shower. I can't shut. Okay, well, I'm shutting this door. Don't go into your room. I hate make. Oh my god. I hate makeup, bro. I don't. If you love me, whoa. Oh my god, I'm. Yeah.
I think I gotta go. Hold on.
No,
What is it?
it's
I gotta
8:25.
go.
What? You don't have Wi-Fi on your phone? All right, bye, rat.
I mean, you'll probably be at school, but you have to go to your bus.
Yeah. And then she comes late.
Gotta go. Bye. Text me, call me later.
Bye, rat. I'll text you
Call
after
me
school.
Huh?
Let me get out of your house.
Okay.
Bye.
I kind of want my hair and eat it.
My mouse is glitching.
Finally.
Okay, I don't need that open no more. Okay. Is it just you? I've only been recording for 9 minutes. Just stop singing.
Oh,
Can you like delete? I need to delete this message now. I just need to delete that. I just need to delete where you said has his balls dropped. Like, my mom don't care about dumbass.
Thank God, it's so fucking
Oh my god. Should I bring my Febreze? This is black Sprite. This ain't no Febreze.
Oh shit! My hair's come up to work.
I must have sleep. I'm in Blacksburg. Is your phone unlocked? Not? Is it easier to stay? Bro, F your hair, Rose. Ew, why is there a dirty pizza box on here? Ew, ew, ew. Is it easier to stay? Is it easier to go? Bro, I'm like so bored right now. I'm gonna get off of Roblox and go on Movie Star Planner.
I literally give up.
You guys get to see me play Movie Star Planner as well. Well, is your dad home?
Yes, I am.
You shut up.
Yes.
I'm like so freaking bored right now. Bro, people were talking about for some reason I uploaded them. I need to check my subscribers, and if I ain't getting no more, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep, bro. Cry.
No.
Is it easier to stay?
I don't know what to do to my head. Please don't please. Fuck.
Can you not curse on my very family-friendly, Oh my god, it did post and it's such a bad freaking, thing. Jesus Christ. I was like a crackhead. And I oops.
Okay, I won't.
Look at my beautiful outfit. Oh my god, bro.
I definitely look ugly if I don't have it.
God dang, I could have got 120. I just gotta sit with it. I feel like when I feel like when I drink water in the middle of the night, it like makes my nose stuffy and my throat hurt. Like I'm having some situation.
Maybe you have mascara there, or is that why you use mine at the bus stop?
What?
Mascara! Is
Yeah.
that why you use mine at the bus stop? Did you have any at your house or no?
I mean, yeah, but it's my mom, and like hers sucks.
Mine's beautiful.
Whatever. Okay, well, this video has to upload in like 20 minutes, so have a good day. I have to deal with this ugly rat. Bye.